Let's talk about the listening test. In the listening test of this IELTS exams, you have 4 sections. The test will be on increasing order of difficulty, which means the first section is easy and the last section is the toughest. In the first section, they will play a recording based on a conversation of 2 people. Usually, this recording is an inquiry kind of recording. One person is asking questions or inquiring about joining a gym, joining some coaching institute, or about airlines to the other. So most of the questions here will be name, address, telephone number, etc. The second recording will be a monologue, or only one person will be talking. So when only one person is talking, the answers are usually not repeated. So you need to be a little more careful here. Also, you might get a map or a diagram to label in this section. From the third section, the difficulty level will rise tremendously. You will also have multiple choice questions, which are the most difficult in listening. In the last section, the accent is a little difficult to understand and the speed is a little faster. The listening test is a multitasking test. Though it is called a listening test, however, you have to listen to the conversation. At the same time, you have to read the questions. And at the same time, you need to write the answers. So listening, reading, writing, all these 3 activities you are actually doing at the same time. One error a lot of people make many times in this listening test is they don't read the instructions. I agree that they do not give much time to read the questions. However, I feel you should carry a pencil or a pen with you and keep on underlining important words. Also, you underline the question where it is being mentioned in how many words you are allowed to write the answer, so you will not forget it. Sometimes you might have to write answer in 1 word, sometimes it could be no more than 2 words or something else. You have to read that carefully and follow it. If you do not follow, you will not get any marks for the questions what you have been answering. Again, spellings, very important factor. You have to write the correct spelling of all the answers. If any spelling goes wrong, you will not get marks. So be careful with this. It is being observed that a lot of people lose the track. They are waiting at question number 3 and the recording is at question number 5, or the vice versa. To avoid this problem, what you need to do is, you should follow the recording. For example, if you have written the answer for question number 3 and after that they have mentioned, they have given some information, so they will definitely talk about it and then they will go to question number 4. What a lot of people do is, after writing the answer for question number 3, they don't read anything what is being mentioned. They directly go and wait at the point where question number 4 is there. So due to which they lose the track. So you follow where the recording is going. Accent plays a major role. A lot of people who are new to American or British accent are not able to grasp the recording in the first attempt. For this we have accent based exercise which we will do it with you. The last thing I would like to mention is, do not panic if you lose 1 or 2 answers. It is being observed that a lot of students, when they lose 1 or 2 answer, the recording moves ahead, but still they wait at that particular point. Or somewhere in their mind, they are still trying to search the answer for the missed one. But the problem what happens is, if you wait at that point, or if your mind is still searching for the answer for the previous lost one, you might lose the next 2 answers even. So if you realize while listening that you have lost 1 answer, you move ahead. You can